Hello everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Today we have news of a new way for Samsung to convert Shiba Inu into a $3 token. Over the past week, the most popular cryptocurrency in your wallet has been the Shiba Inu. A recent study by an online analytics firm found that baby boomers couldn't care less about banking, but money is fun when it can be programmed online. Many people would probably guess Bitcoin if you asked them what they think is the most popular first currency for people who are just starting to use cryptocurrency in the last week. But it does not appear to be Bitcoin, nor is it the peer-to-peer network Ethereum, which is the second digital currency by market cap. In this video, we'll talk about how Samsung came up with a new way to convert Shiba Inu into $3 tokens. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis. Let's start the video without further ado. Nansen found some data on-chain that showed Shiba Inu was the most popular volatile digital asset for newly funded crypto wallets over the past week. During that time, Nansen placed more than $56 million in Shib tokens into 12,000 new wallets. Nansen said that unlike stablecoins, the ERC20 token was the cryptocurrency that appeared most often in these balances. The Shiba Inu has seen a slight drop in price, just like the rest of the market. The decline occurred at the same time that stock prices began to fall. After rallying in January, analysts and commentators pointed to disappointing economic data and more hawkish talk of interest rates from the Fed as the reason why cryptocurrency beat Uniswap, and Shiba is the most dominant trading partner on the trading pair by volume, but Binance owns most Shiba Inu and Shib stocks. There have been false reports that Binance has removed Shiba Inu from its list. On the other hand, the centralized cryptocurrency exchange removed some trading pairs that involved Shib lovers eyeing the Shibarium, which was just announced. Shibarium is an Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem for launching decentralized applications that use Shib as native token according to the statistics of whales serving the platform. New data shows that the Shiba Inu holdings of the world's largest Ethereum whale have grown by hundreds of millions of dollars in less than a week. Since Jan. 17, the top 1,000 whales have purchased $422 million worth of meme assets before the same whales reportedly own a ship worth $168 million. This means that according to whale stats, they have purchased 151% more than Dogecoin competitor in just 4 days. The Shiba Inu is now the digital asset of the top 1,000 whales. Most of this is because they bought it like crazy. There are now another 584 million digital assets owned by high net worth people who are not Shib holdings. The merchants include the Chainlink link provider Oracle, which is valued at $65 million. The decentralized exchange Uniswap and the deflationary Bit Crypto, which are valued at $58 million each, and the interoperable blockchain, which is valued at $55 million. Whale activity around the Shiba Inu may have affected the price of the meme token, which rose from $1,040 on January 17 to $12.10 at the highest point since then, and the Shib has continued to rise and is now worth $1,220. 0.6. Whales buy stocks as the ecosystem prepares for a beta release of Shibarium, a proposed second tier for competitor Doge. The protocol will be a Layer 2 network built on Ethereum like Polygon Matic, Arbitrum, and the optimism about the Shiba Inu coin got a lot of benefits from the cryptocurrency rally in the past few days, and that is especially true in the last week. The price rose sharply again and its value increased by more than 20%. Many investors believe that prices will go up a lot in the next few months and years. John Richmond is an English-Italian fashion designer who has worked with a lot of famous people like Madonna, Rolling Stones, and Gwen Stefani, all of whom are beloved by the critics. The fashion designer is now putting more of his attention on Web3. The new way of doing things comes from the benefits of decentralization. According to Richmond's tweet, the revolutionary punk rock movement and the invention of Web3 have a lot in common. The well-known designer says it shows strong energy and a desire for change. Just like the UK punk rock movement of the 1920s and 1980s, rock and roll has always been about giving the voiceless and downtrodden a chance to be heard, breaking rules and questioning the status quo. This is the same energy that keeps the artists and people in the Web3 community going. John Richmond. John Richmond has worked with a lot of famous people in the past. Recently, he and Snoop Dogg were on the cover of Vogue. The famous hip-hop artist has given fashion a touch of West Coast style. John Richmond's idea of experimenting with different styles fits perfectly into rebellious street style, with a classic twist as Shib Army was so glad Snoop Dogg was in vogue. In response, some members of Shib Army asked lead developer, Satoshi Kazama, on Twitter if Snoop Dogg could perform at Ryoshi Plaza or Bark Park and Shib out the metaverse. Ultimately, Shib the Metaverse is a Web3 project that will be completed soon by the Shiba Inu's developer team. But before Shib, the metaverse could be triggered, Shibarium should release a Layer 2 scaling solution. Surprising. Look, sir. Snoop Dogg when he hashtag Ryoshi Plaza Shib, you'll be a welcome guest in the metaverse. Do you agree? Hashtag Shib Army on the token net Shib MV Toshikazu Azuma. Can we? How about no one spoke? The Shiba Inu community is eagerly awaiting the launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, and the official accounts of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and core developer Satoshi Kusama are giving hints as to when this will happen, and getting hints from what Satoshi Kusama has to say on Twitter. The Shiba Army believes that the Panda Shibarium will come out on Valentine's Day, February 14. Satoshi Kusama, who is responsible for the development of the Shiba Inu, has changed his Twitter bio and added hints about when the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain will come out. The new bio says that you take care of a pine tree of life and quickly learn to play the flute before placing the Shibarium in a heart-shaped box with a bow in it. Tweet on Jan 20. Supporters of the Shiba Inu whale said the Shibarium is scheduled for February 14, which is Valentine's Day. The Shiba Inu community believes the new bio means Shibarium beta will launch on Valentine's Day, though not everything is ready for launch yet. The fact that Shibarium, the official Twitter account has posted documents on the basic ideas and a bone gas token shows that the launch is near. Shibarium's development work is also getting busier. On the other hand, GitHub data shows that the launch may be delayed due to things that are not planned. This has happened before. On the other hand, Shiba Inu and bone symbols bring wealth. Gray burning has skyrocketed and public opinion is at an all-time high. Certic, a leader in blockchain security, has found that Shiba Inu is the second most secure crypto project. The price of shibaswap bone is now $1.43, which is an 8% increase in the last 24 hours. Investors and whales are interested in this currency. Samsung Electronics said the Samsung mobile wallet app will now be available in 8 more countries. The South Korean-based tech giant said the wallet app could reach Singapore, Australia, Brazil, Hong Kong, Canada, India, Malaysia and Taiwan by the end of January. Samsung Wallet can be used in these countries. The company said in a press release that the exact launch date will depend on users' devices and the market. Samsung has released the Wallet app in 2 parts.